Hey there, young professional. Come on into the room. Don't be shy. Take a seat as I spill the tea about law, financial literacy, estate planning, and a little tax savings and strategy. Did you know that most Americans do not have wills? A recent survey conducted by Karen.com showed that only 32% of adults reported having a will. Just now in 2024, that means 68% do not have wills. Now, what does that really mean? What does that really mean if you do not have a will? It means you are actually believing a lie. You believe that you do not have a will. But in actuality, we all do. We all have a will. You just decided not to write it down for yourself. You have decided to agree to proceed forward and accept the one that your state has written for you. You know me. Hey, just in case you don't, I'm TaQuita Hogan-Claiborne. I'm an attorney, a legal instructor, a financial consultant, entrepreneur, tax strategist, and the founder of Law Office of TMHC. So without a will written by you, your state has one written for you, and someone else will control your property. For some people, that's okay. That's your choice. But for GWBs, I know if you take your control of your money, you will be able to benefit from instituting financial goals and estate and planning instrument that will provide you with the protection you seek generations to come. And I refuse to believe that our young GWBs should have to wait and work 30 plus years for us to then just to hope and dream that if we live our lives long enough, we will magically wake up one day and stumble into a financial plan and then all of a sudden build generational wealth in some time in some unknown future. I also refuse to accept that we are to work all day and all night, and then as soon as our paycheck hit our bank account, we rush to spend every dollar, every time, just buying a bunch of worthless junk that nobody would even want anyway, and then end up dying broke and penniless. Like, you know what? I'm sorry, Mama. I'm sorry, Dad. I'm sorry, Granny. We are not doing that. You know what? I'm not sorry. There is no need for me to apologize. GWB, we believe that we should be able to flex on making our money now and stacking it high and tall and still buying it all and protecting it wide, then going deep dive and legacy up high. When? Now, not later. And I want to see the same thing done for you. So be sure to grab your free gift to see the list of the basic steps we're covering in the course, because it's in the course where we spill all the tea. Well, that's a wrap, because that's all the tea I'm spilling today. Let me remind you, this is a safe space, our SuSu Room, where our friends, our family, and associates gather and share ideas, and in the case, also mostly food of thought. So every member that contributes gets to take from, we get to withdraw from the whole pot. So as I share information with you, I hope you can take value from it and remember to contribute your part by simply clicking the like, the share, and subscribe buttons. I want to thank you for joining me. The next time, I'm going to see you in the next video.